That's good. I think it's good. Shoot. Hold on. There.
Okay. Are you ready?
I am ready.
We're playing Guess Who. Okay.
Come on, Jacob. Oh, it's James. I'm sorry. Whatever.
Alright.
Fire girl.
Alright, I pick my player. Your turn. Alright. You put it like right across.
Okay.
Okay. Does your person have a big face?
Oh, not there. Yes. Does your person have red hair?
Chia.
Wait. No.
I'm just putting it down.
I know.
Does your person have white hair?
Yes. Does your person have glasses?
No.
It is so on.
It is on.
It's on, okay? Let's do this.
Does your person have glasses?
Yes.
Ha.
Okay. Hey. There. Does your person have a beard?
Yes.
Ha!
Does your person have a mustache? Stash!
Shut up.
I'm not supposed to show me the guy.
Lazy.
Don't show me.
I'm not showing you.
Does your person have a stash?
No.
Alright.
Ew. He's so ugly.
He's actually kind of cute, this guy.
Oh, I thought you were my guy.
No,
Are you kidding?
This guy, he's kind of cute.
He's hot.
I know, right? Ew.
He's like gorgeous. Oh my god.
No, I'm feeling this guy.
Yeah, that guy's hotter though.
That guy's hot.
Yeah, he's cute.
Too bad he's a cartoon.
Yeah, so come on, let's pick out the hot guys.
Alright, yeah, let's pick out the hot guys and show it.
Oh yeah.
Alright, you pick out the hottest guy in yours and I'll pick out the hottest in mine.
Oh, of course you picked the guy named that. Oh, I'm feeling this guy.
I am so feeling this guy. Wait, this one? Or that one? Ew! Which one do you think is hotter, America? That guy?
I think this guy's the hottest.
I think he's the hottest.
No, dude, he's so.
Which one?
Right.
No.
Where'd he go?
I am so
There he
feeling...
is. There he is. He's so
This
hot.
one.
No, it's this guy.
No, it's this
It's
guy.
this guy.
It's this guy. Christina says that guy.
No, that's not fair. He's too hot.
Hey, you blew him out.
No.
Alright, you know what? It's this guy. Are you feeling that guy? I'm feeling it.
I'm feeling him.
I'm feeling this guy.
That's not fair. You picked him. Wait.
Yeah, because he's blue and I'm
No,
blue.
it's this guy.
No, I'm not feeling him.
We have the same people.
I'm feeling... Oh, this is a little cute old man. I'm feeling this guy. He looks cute. I feel bad. That's him. That's the guy.
He's a cartoon! Hey. Why do you feel bad for a cartoon?
He looks so sad and lonely.
He does.
Don't you think he looks so sad and lonely?
Aww.
Aw,
Okay,
Joshua.
It's decided.
Alright,
Joshua's the hottest.
Joshua. Alright, thanks for watching our game.
Later.
See our next show.